Hey, this is Terry with House Hub Real Estate Solutions. Let me answer one of the questions that people ask us when they're looking to sell their home. So the question is, are you going to list my house on the MLS? Now the short answer is no, and here's why. Okay, so here's the reason we're not going to list it on the MLS. We're actually looking to buy your property, your home, or your mobile home, or your land. We're not looking to sell your house or your home. We're not real estate agents. We're not realtors. We are cash home buyers. And, we normally buy the properties, hold on to them. We clean them up. We fix all the repairs that are needed. And then we make them home for somebody else to rent out from us in the future. We're buy and hold investors, and that's primarily what we focus on. Every once in a while, we'll find a property that's pretty dilapidated that either needs to be torn down or it needs a complete rehab. And in that case, we'll do that. However, we're just looking to buy as many properties as we can, help as many folks out as we can, fix those properties up, and make sure that they're available for another family to live in. Now, you may have some more questions, and that's completely fair. Lots of people do, and I'm here to answer all those questions. So you can feel free to give me a call or text or send me an email, whatever works best for you. And I like to spend some time and chat. And if you have any other questions that, I can help answer, then I'm there for you. Talk to you soon.